The government set itself a number of targets, which was to tackle the deficit in our current spending, to reduce the debt of the country, and also it set a cap on welfare spending overall. On every one of those targets, it's failed. This is the mismanagement of the economy over the last 6 years, 6 wasted years where people have suffered austerity, and now we have an economy threatened by Brexit, which the government has no solutions to. Labour's test for the autumn statement: at first we need a fiscal framework that actually works. The government's one clearly doesn't, because they've failed all the tests, whether it's tackling the deficit or reducing the debt. We need Labour's fiscal credibility rule. What that will mean is actually we will balance the budget over a realistic time, we will tackle the debt, but we'll make sure we invest in our economy. The second test is we need support for middle and low earners and those unable to work. That means, first of all, making sure we head off the government's attack on universal credits and the cuts to employment support allowance for disabled people. But it also means introducing a real living wage. The third test is, yes, we need support for our public services, supporting the NHS. The NHS cares for us, we need to care for the NHS. That means making sure the staff have the resources to treat their patients. It means also investing in education and in our skills. It also means investing in local councils so they can provide social care. It means secure public services for the future. So we would ensure that we had a fair society where wealth and income was distributed fairly. Above all else, Labour in government would ensure that no individual and no community was ever left behind again.